Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce financial anxiety with Ameriprise Financial step by step clearly. Identify your financial concerns. Make a list of specific worries that cause you anxiety. Gather your financial documents, including bank statements and bills. Assess your current financial situation. Calculate your income and expenses to create a budget. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Set realistic financial goals based on your needs. Consider starting an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Connect with a financial advisor at Ameriprise Financial. Schedule an initial consultation to discuss your concerns. Prepare a list of questions to help guide the conversation. Discuss your financial worries openly with your advisor. Explore various financial products and strategies that might alleviate your anxiety. Work with your advisor to create a customized financial plan. Establish a timeline for achieving your financial goals. Regularly review your progress with your advisor. Adjust your financial plan as your life circumstances change. Practice mindfulness techniques to help manage stress. Stay informed about financial literacy to reduce uncertainty. Celebrate small victories as you make progress toward financial stability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.